I've got here the Icon Box. This is boxycharm's specially curated box filled with 8 full-size goodies. I can't wait to unbox it and see exactly what we got. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So Ipsy has teamed up with boxycharm, and this is their Icon Box. So if you join boxycharm, which is $33 a month, you get 5 full-size products. 3 of them you choose yourself, but quarterly they do offer this Icon Box, which is $65, and you get over $350 in value of full-size products. These are products that you would find at Sephora, at Ulta. So I can't wait to see this box. I do believe that this box was curated by Gabrielle Union. I do believe Makeup by Mario is coming out with a box soon, so I cannot wait to see that. But let's dive into this box and unbox it. How gorgeous does this look? $65, and you get, oh my gosh, I just saw Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Wow. Again, this box was curated by Gabrielle Union. So she's an actress, she's an icon, she's absolutely gorgeous. And can you believe she's like over 50 years old? She's like 53 or something like that. She looks like a teenager. So, oh my goodness, never, be afraid of getting older. She says, welcome to the art of being you. How awesome is that? She says, this is the Confidence Queen box, the power of pigments and glow-getting skincare that make me feel unstoppable. So these are her products that she has chosen for us that she thinks we'll love. So how awesome is that? Okay, first thing that I just noticed here is this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I haven't had an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in so long, so I cannot wait to see what this is. Let's go ahead. And do you guys recognize this packaging? What palette is this? Nouveau. Yes, I don't have this palette. Are you like me? But I used to be obsessed with Anastasia palettes, and every time that she came out with a new one, I had to have it right away. I was like collecting them. Were you guys like me? I just had to have every single one. But the thing is that the pans are pretty small, so you can use up. I would use up, certain colors. Isn't it just so gorgeous? And then look at inside. Oh, I couldn't believe it. So I figured I'll just do a really quick look. But actually, let me go ahead and put this shade all over. Let's try this one. Here is this shade. Now these are so beautiful, but there is a ton of fallout, and these are so powdery soft. I would definitely next time, oh my goodness, look at all of the powder that comes out, how it breaks up into a million pieces once you dip into it. So you have to be very careful. Oh, that must be why. Have you guys tried these before? But I had different palettes and they were always breaking and just falling apart. As soon as I got it, a few of them in the mail, or even home from Ulta, they were broken. So that's why I stopped buying them, because do you see how it's just so soft? But that's what's nice too about them, though, that they're so soft. It makes such a beautiful effect, but you definitely have to do your eyes first before your face. Or if you do your face first, I really should put some powder there to catch that. Let me go ahead and do that. So I just put some of my Huda. This is the Pound Cake powder. I love this powder so much. I've been just addicted to all my Huda powders. So yeah, I don't even want to put on too much more makeup because I feel like it's just gonna get all over my face. Now I'm a little bit apprehensive about it. But oh, I gotta show you these Laura Geller pencils that I got. They do not budge. These are crazy good. These are eyeliners, and when you put these eyeliners on, they just are pretty much budge proof. So I just added some lashes and I dusted away that setting powder to catch the fallout. But otherwise it is beautiful. You just have to be really careful with it, that you tap off the excess with that palette, the Nouveau from Anastasia. So how beautiful is that? Wow. Let's go ahead and keep it moving, guys. Here is, oh my gosh, a NARS Power Matte lipstick. And this is in the shade American Woman. So let's try it out. So beautiful new packaging from NARS. Let's see how it looks when you put it on. Oh, it's very creamy looking. Oh, it's beautiful rosy, nude rosy tone. So how gorgeous is that? And again, I will be back and we'll play with it more. So here is something else. By Row, New York. This is Oat Yogurt Moisturizing Barrier Cream. Wow, how nice does that sound? Oh, another one with beautiful packaging, blue, this kind of aqua blue and gold. And let's go ahead and see if it has a scent. It doesn't really have a scent. It's really nice though. It may be a very light scent, but definitely just a very light scent, nothing too heavy. So how gorgeous is that? Cannot wait to try that. Oh, let's see what this is. It says it's a tripod and a bottle in one. What is that about? Oh my gosh, guys, what is that about? So here it is. Ring, tripod, and bottle in one. Compatible with any phone or tablet. Wow, I gotta check this out because I love water bottles. I'm constantly drinking water, and then who doesn't need a tripod so you can chit chat? This looks amazing. Let's go ahead and open it and try to find out. Let's see here. Definitely, you could take this with you when you're exercising. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, I love this color. Oh, and it says Ipsy on it. Wow. Oh, is this where you put, is this like where you put your phone? Does it is it, oh, maybe it's like a magnet for your phone. Let's see here because I would love to use this. Let's see. Here's this. Is this an extra is this a magnet? I gotta find out. So let's see here. These are the directions. It says clean your device, peel the backing. Okay, peel the backing. Oh, okay, I see. So it's probably like a magnet. You put this on the back of your phone and then it's going to attach to the water bottle. Let's go ahead and try it out. I do have a bunch of stuff on my phone already. I got these Octo Suction. This is the best. This sticks to everything. I mean, you can't even imagine what you could stick this to. And then I have the case, the Otter box, because my phone broke. It fell and it smashed into a million pieces. And so after that, I was like, we've got to get an Otter box because I do not want to go through that again. I'm just going to put it on the back of here because the Otter box comes with 2 cases. so it's doubly protected. Okay, here goes. Yes, it works. Wow. That's amazing. Oh, and then you can turn it. Oh, you can turn it this way if you want to do YouTube. Do YouTube, or turn it this way if you want to do TikTok. Oh my God, that's amazing. That is such a great idea. I love it. Do you guys love that? That is, let me see. So it's called the Ringo, the tripod bottle. That's amazing because you can really put this anywhere too. Like you could just put it anywhere if, you know, because it's very heavy and sturdy. I don't think it'll fall over. Yes. Because a lot of my tripods, they actually fall over. They're just not, they're made out of like a lightweight material and they just fall, everything falls forward. That is very strong. It's it's pretty heavy, the bottle. So you could tell it's not going to fall. So that's really great. Whoever invented that, thank you. That's amazing. Okay, let's keep it going. Here is something else. This is from Shades of Sean brushes. Can I tell you this, Shades of Sean? I've gotten several items from them. Their eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, everything I've tried from this brand is amazing. And I've never tried their brushes though, so I'm very excited because look at this. First of all, they're beautiful. They have this beautiful ombre effect to them. So how gorgeous is that? But look at these tiny heads. And if you're like me with the hooded eyes, the tiny brushes are a must-have. I need these to get into all that hooding. So if you are looking for, I actually use these for the face, the bigger ones, because for my hooding, oh my goodness, I need everything teeny tiny. So you guys, these are so beautiful, and they're so soft too. Wow, I can't wait to play with those. Let me put those away right there so I don't lose them. And then guys, let's see here. This is from Beauty Stat. I think I've tried a few things from this brand and I love it. Have you guys ever tried Beauty Stat? This is the Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum. Okay, when I hear the word plump, I'm like, yes, please, anything to plump. Are you like me? But I love the plumped face. I want my face as plumped as possible. So here is a buxom full-on lip plumping lip oil. I have not tried this. Have you? I heard about this, but I didn't try it. I've heard so many good things. Wow. Okay, this we could try right now because we'll just put it right on top of the lip. Oh, it feels so good. This feels so good. This definitely feels more substantial than the Dior lip oil. It just feels a little thicker, which I personally like. So what do you think? It doesn't burn or anything yet. So this is the shade here. It's called, let's see here, White Russian. Wow, I would not think that was White Russian because it looks kind of peachy. I thought White Russian would be look more white and, you know, snow-like. So anyway, have you guys tried this? I'm really excited to try this. I've heard so many good things. This is Paula's Choice Exfoliant, BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Cannot wait to try that. Oh my goodness, because I am obsessed now with liquid exfoliants. I've been using the Origins Apple Peel Exfoliant and that is amazing. So then here they gave us the Makeup Forever. This is the Professional Mascara. Oh, I can't wait to try this because, you know, I love Makeup Forever. Everything I've ever tried from them has been amazing. Is this best-selling mascara worth the hype? This is the Makeup Forever Professional Mascara. One side is for lifting and one side is for volumizing. So they are labeled. Step 1 is for lifting. So I'm applying the lifting side right now. And it definitely does separate each lash and actually gives you tons of lashes. So now I'm going in with the side 2, which is for volume. There is a clump-free formula with this that I really love, and it definitely does volumize. So what do you think? Do you see the difference? I really can't believe it. It really did a great job at giving me tons more lashes than I generally have. So what do you guys think? Would you pick this up? I did get this in my Boxy Icon Box. So did you pick this up in your Icon Box? Would you try this? Let me know your thoughts down below. It really is a very natural effect and does really volumize and really lift your lashes too. So what do you guys think? Would you try this? Let me know down below. And then here is the Icon Box. What is this? A little, let's see here. A little surprise. Let's find out. What is it? Oh, cookies. Ipsy cookies, you guys. Wow. Butter cookies. I wish I could eat these, but I just really can't eat sugar. So I think that's everything that I got. That's a beautiful box, though. I'm definitely going to repurpose this box and put, you know, maybe my brushes in here or different makeup products, because how gorgeous is this? Maybe I'll put my eyeshadow palettes in there, because I am decluttering and I'm really doing such a good job, I think. Not really, but you know, I'm trying my best. Let me just share with you guys really quickly. I just bought this tonight. So thank you so much. Ipsy and boxycharm did send that to me to try. So thank you so much. I absolutely love Ipsy and boxycharm. I mean, you cannot believe the value for the products that you get. You always get amazing products, and you know, they're always full size. They take a long time to use even. So you're getting a tremendous value for your money. And because normally you would get, instead today we got 8, but normally you would get 5 products just like that. $33 a month. 3 of them you can choose. It's amazing. Just one of those products alone would be more than $33 at Sephora, Ulta. So I just really want to show you quickly though. Just got these are from L'Oreal. It's a new brow product called Faux Brow, and I did my brows with this tonight. This is amazing. This is drugstore better than high end, and they don't budge. I have been using up to 3 different brow products to do my brows. I did my brows all just with this one, and it comes out so natural looking, so effortless, and they do not budge. They said if you leave this on, I guess you'd have to wash around your eyebrows. When you wash your face, they said it won't come off for at least 2 days. I believe it, because it's budge proof. It just doesn't come off, and my brows are totally drawn in. So normally they will come off after a few hours, and I usually use brow pencil, brow pen, and a brow gel to get my brows to stay, and that's all I have on now is this. And I've had this on for hours, and since this morning, and it's like 12 o'clock at night now, and they have not come off. I probably just took them off, did I gotta check. I'm just like, yeah, they're still on. I can't believe it. I'm in shock. A lot of brow products, I cannot find the color to match my skin tone right, but this color does. They have different colors, a lot of different colors that really, you know, if you're like me, have a complexion like mine, they have a color. This color I think matches me perfectly. I'm very happy with it. So they do have a color if you're like me and you're looking for one, a brow color that's not too warm, that has maybe a neutral undertone. They do have it with a deep color. So, and these have not moved all day. Look how it goes on like a dream. So effortless. It does not come off. It's crazy. It's great, and it's so easy. One product is doing the job of 3 that I've been using for years. So I couldn't wait to share this with you. I'll have everything linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Have you tried this Polish Choice? I know so many people love these products. Let me know if you've tried them. And I'll also have my Ipsy link down below, my boxycharm link, so you can join up yourself. And there's no commitment, so you can cancel anytime. And it's just absolutely amazing. So if you're already a member though, let me know what you think of the Icon Box this month. Let me know if you're going to pick it up. If you're going to join, let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.